Hey, so you want to know how to make money online and how to do it effectively so that way you could actually make a real income online and change the life for you and your family, and be able to have a solid income, outside of what you're doing. I'm going to show you how to do that online, because a lot of times people, will try to get you into something and you will never get any support. You will never hear back from them, anything like that. And I like to actually do these videos so people can actually see how it's done. So, what you're looking at in front of you is actually a capture page, and it's probably like a page that you came through to actually get on my email list, if you're on my email list, or from Facebook, or YouTube. Like if you see one of my YouTube videos and you came to my page, it probably looked just like this. Well, see, it's what happens here is this is a way to actually build up your email list. So they come through this, this page right here. It's called a capture page, and they put in their email, and then they end up going to your email list. Here's my email list right here. I got almost 75 or almost 7,500 people on my email list, and that's what happens when people, get onto your email list, and you can actually build a relationship with them, and they get your email. So I'm going to send this video out as soon as I'm done with it to my email list, so you guys will be able to see this and exactly how to make money online, right? And so that's what this is. This is your capture page. This is something that you need to be able to build an audience. And it's very important to be able to build an audience, because without an audience, you can't make any money. And then you need to actually have some skills. And the skills that you'll have, it's going to get you on the leaderboards like it is me. I'm right here on the leaderboard. Somebody else on my team is right here on the leaderboard, and then somebody else on my team is right here. So, yeah, you can actually make money and, build up some following and credibility for yourself and be able to learn marketing. Now, here's what we use to be able to build out the funnels. This is the funnel builder, training, and is what it's going to show you is it's going to show you what to do first, how to actually plug in, and then it's going to show you how to use the funnel builder. So you're going to need a domain, and then whenever you have a domain, it links up to your autoresponder, and that's how it communicates. That's how people go from your capture page to your email list, right? And that's your autoresponder. That's how that works. It links up, and then here's the training. So you're going to learn all about funnels, how to create your funnel pages. You're going to learn how to do, an exit pop, which is if they try to close out of the page when they're inside of your funnel, how to keep them on your page. You're going to learn about, how to do different things, like how to sell your own products, how to track your leads within the builder, so people coming through the builder. You're going to also learn a bunch of other stuff, like how to create, graphics, and how to actually, have your own site. You're going to learn how to have your own site in here as well, and that's right here. So you could actually build out a whole entire, website and do all that within this. You could build out a membership site. You could have your own products, and this is only $25 a month. It gives you a $20 a month commission, and I wanted more than that, though. I wanted to actually make money with this and make a solid, income. And the cool thing about this is you could actually learn how to get the traffic from right here. This is the traffic and conversions portion, and it's going to give you extra $100 per month per sign up. So that's what this does, and it's going to show you all about, traffic. And the cool thing that I love about this is that, we have live coaching every single day, Monday through Friday, by Zoom. So you could just hop on a Zoom call and be able to get your questions answered immediately. And it's really cool, because when you sign up with me, we have a group called the Profit Builders Alliance, to where we actually, communicate through Facebook. and we're able to actually have our weekly calls as well. So you will get training and support 6 days a week, which is really cool, and you will have access to these different trainings right here. So this is a morning call for mindset at 9 a.m. Eastern time. This is the Take Action Mastermind, which is over the shoulder, Monday through Friday, and it shows you exactly what to do in your business hands-on. And then this is the Monday Night Mastermind call, where people get on who are having results, and they talk about how they're getting the results, right? So that's how it actually works. And that's what you get when you're in premium and you upgrade to traffic and conversions. You're going to learn how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to follow up with people, how to get leads with Facebook, how to get leads with short video like YouTube Shorts, how to rank your videos in YouTube, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines, how to get leads with Facebook ad methods, how to do podcasting, which is like a radio show, how to do things like LinkedIn, which is kind of like Facebook, and also you're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives the right way, how to blog for your business, and do different things. And the cool thing I like about this is it only takes 25 people to get to $3,000 per month. Then if you wanted an extra $10,000, right? Those are for the people that go all in. This is the Financial Literacy Academy. It gives you an extra $400 on top of the $120 per month. This is a one-time commission that you get for people who go all in within the first 3 days of signing up. You get a $400 commission, and then if they miss the 3-day window, you'll get an $800 commission. So, you're talking about either an extra $10,000 or an extra $20,000, depending on when they get in. Is what this teaches you is actually about financial literacy, how to eliminate your debt, and all about different things like taxes, tax strategies so you could save money on taxes, and also how to plan for retirement. So if you're trying to retire, how to do that, and how to keep your records the right way, so that way you know how to file your taxes and you are not overpaying in taxes, right? That's what this is going to show you. This is also going to show you how to invest your money, right? So if you've never known how to actually manage your money the right way and invest, this is going to teach you that, right? And it's going to show you different things about assets and how to invest in property and assets and things like that when you start making money. So when you start making money, you don't want to take in taxes, so you invest in property and assets, and that's how you do it. This is what this is going to teach you. And so you're able to make over $500 in one day with this opportunity, and I'm here to help you to make your first sales, right? So when you sign up with me, you're going to get access to my private group, the Profit Builders Alliance group, and I'm able to help you, and the people in our group will help you to be able to make sales, which is really cool, because you don't have to do it all on your own. This is exactly what this is a training platform where you get support Monday through Friday. So if that sounds like something that would help you out, make sure you click on the link below this video and get started today. And also there's a free Facebook group that I have. You could also click on the link in the description to get in that Facebook group. That's where I have a lot of free tips and tricks and training in there. You could get in there for free, and you could also book a call underneath this video as well, and I'll get on Zoom with you hands-on and help you to be able to work out anything you got to work out, right? So this is how you're going to make money online, and this is the quickest way that you're going to make money and have support and be able to actually grow your business, right? So yeah, make sure you click on the link below this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.